Hi everyone, today's our topic is messaging in app and web, live agent and bot on external site. So this is the seventh video of messaging for in app and web. If you did not watch my previous videos, then you can find the playlist link in description. So today we will learn how to use our bot, our messaging in app and web bot or live agent in external site. So here you can see in diagram the customer is visiting on our external website. Okay, so here he can using our bot and he's um he is starting the chat. Okay, now the chat is connected with Salesforce, so it is routing to Salesforce. Now the respective bot from Salesforce will take the data, and after that it will provide the response. Or respective agent will accept your chat, and uh, he will continue chat with you, and it will show in your external site. Okay, so in details we will learn about live agent and bot in how to use in external site. So currently I don't have any external site, so I will use github.com. So you can also create your account, free account on github.com. Okay, but before starting, I want to let you know that previously messaging for in-app and web was working only for unlimited edition or professional edition, but now it is available for developer edition also. Here you can see currently I'm using developer edition. Okay, so in github.com, what exactly I have done, I have created the account, and after that here you can see in plus icon it is showing new repository. So I have created my repository. I kept my repository name as a YouTube. In that I have created one index.html file. So that is very simple. Currently it's I have kept only title and some dummy body. Okay, so from here, from VS Code, I'm doing my changes, and I'm doing the deployment and push. Okay, so first I want to deploy this page. Okay, so go to setting. I just want to check that my github.com site is working properly or not. So page. Okay, so currently my index.html is available on my GitHub, but I want to deploy that as a site. Okay, so here we are getting one option called build and deployment. If you are clicking on set pages, then we are getting something called build and deployment. Okay, so here it is asking like a deployment from branch or any other option. So I am selecting deployment from branch. Okay, now it is asking that what is the select your branch. So in my case, I have only one branch main. Okay, and this is the root folder, and now I will click on save. So it will take some time, and after that, here we will get some deployment URL. Okay, so we will wait for that. Okay, so till it is deploying, we can do the other things. Okay, so in my this organization, I have already created one channel for messaging web. Here you can see messaging for in-app and web. Okay, I have created. Now first I will open that. Okay, here in details I have already explained like what all the different settings of messaging for in-app and web as part of channel or as part of deployment, what all the different settings, how to configure everything in details I have already explained. How to create the messaging channel, how to create the deployment, everything in details I have already explained. So you can find that playlist link in description. Okay, so here we are getting some routing type. So when someone is using this channel, then we have to route that we want to use OmniFlow, or we want to use OmniQ. Okay, so if you are using live agent without pre-chat form, pre-chat form can be custom or standard. If you are not using any pre-chat form, only simple live agent you are using, like when the agent is initiating the chat, the customer will reply. Okay, in that case you can go for OmniQ. Okay, but in case if you want to use like pre-chat form, okay, with live agent, then you have to go for OmniFlow. Or you want to initiate the bot, and bot will route when your customer is initiating the chat, then first you want to route to bot. Okay, in that case also you have to go for OmniFlow. In summary, if you are using live agent without pre-chat form, you can go for OmniFlow, sorry, OmniQ. And in all other scenario, like live agent with pre-chat form, or bot, if you want to route to bot, first you want to route to bot, in all the scenario you can go for OmniFlow. Recently Salesforce introduced user, so till now this I did not use, so I'm not sure for this one. So uh, I want to show that how exactly live agent is working. After that I will explain about the bot also. So I am selecting, okay, here I have already created one queue. Okay, agent queue, this is my queue name, agent queue. Okay, here I have provided my routing configuration. My routing configuration name is YouTube. Okay, I have to select my supported object is messaging session. So I have selected respective agent. I have selected, so in my case I have selected Sunil Sharma. Okay, I have saved. Okay, now I will search that queue name, agent queue. So maybe some people have question that uh, if we are using live agent without pre-chat form, then we cannot use OmniFlow or not. You can use, but I want to just make this simple. That's why I just want to show some demo with OmniQ also. Okay, so click save. Okay, now go to deployment. So currently I don't have any deployment. So click on new deployment. Select messaging for in-app and web. Click on next. Select web because we are using messaging web. Okay. Uh, in messaging in app, I cannot provide any details because for that one we need a proper development from Android or iOS. Okay, mobile also. So I'm selecting web. Here we have to provide the deployment name. So I'm just providing YouTube demo. Okay. Select the channel. This is my channel name. Okay. Here we have to provide the domain name. Okay, the site where you want to uh, embedded this script. Okay, so that we will get. Here you can see this is our site URL. Your site is live at this one. Here you can see whatever body I have provided. Here you can see my body is body index, and my title is testing external live agent. Testing external live agent. Okay, so this URL I have to copy because this is my site URL where I want to deploy my live agent. So I have to go here. I have to provide here. I need to remove HTTPS. Only domain we have to add. Otherwise, it will show error. Okay. Click on save. So we have created successfully our deployment. Okay. Now what we have to do, click on this. If you are going down, here you can see code snippet. Click on install code snippet, copy to clipboard. Copy. I'm going to my notepad. Sorry, VS Code. Here we have to write HTML tag, head tag, body tag. Inside body tag, I have to put. Okay. I have kept inside body. Make sure you are adding body tag, otherwise it will not work. Now here I'm just changing testing external live agent to external live agent, so that we can show that yeah, our code is deployed. Now I will commit my code. I am just providing some commit message, just commit inputs. So going to code, opening this. Here you can see my code is available, but I will refresh my site so that I can make sure the code is deployed on site or not. So here you can see till now the code is not deployed, still the old data we are getting. I will hard refresh the site. Now the code is deployed. Here you can see previously we were getting something body index. We have changed our title from testing external live agent to external live agent. But we are not getting any icon. Here you can see. So if you are checking the console, here you can see we have, okay, I will refresh again. Here you can see we are getting some different error. Okay. Unable to load embedded messaging configuration. So what exactly we have to do? Copy this URL. Okay. First open Chorus, CORS. Okay. In Chorus, I have to whitelist my external site. I have provided my external site URL. Click on save. Next, I have to go to trusted URLs. New trusted URL. Just mention some label. So I'm just mentioning GitHub. Okay. Going down. CSP context, select all, and here connect, font, frame, everything I am just selecting, and click on save. Now last we have to go to site. We have to go to sites, not all sites. Whenever for messaging for in-app and web, whenever we are creating any deployment, one site will be created. So here you can see we have given our em- uh, our this one deployment name is YouTube demo. So here you can see ESW underscore YouTube demo underscore something. Okay. One site is created by Salesforce. Okay. So we have to open that site also. Inside we have to go little bit down. In in add domain, in add domain, make sure your you are So I have added with HTTPS. Okay. Now all my job is done. Now what I have to do? I have to publish my deployment. Okay. So I will publish my deployment. So it is showing 10 minutes. I will hard refresh. Hmm. Sorry. We have hard refresh only because this publishing deployment is taking some time. Okay. So, okay. Now, here you can see we got the icon. Now, I'm just enabling one agent. So, I'm just opening console app. I'm just changing status. Okay. I will initiate. Here you can see we got the notification accepted. Okay. Now we can start the chat. Here you can check. So till now we have learned how to use live agent on external site. Okay. Now we will go for bot. How to use bot on external site. Okay. So we will create a new bot. Click on new. Here we are getting two options, standard bot and enhanced bot. So we are working with messaging in-app and web. Messaging in-app and web is a enhanced channel. So we have to go for enhanced bot only. Okay. We can select start from scratch. Here we have to provide the bot name. So I am just providing YouTube demo bot. Okay. These are the standards only. Like it is welcome message it is providing. So I am keeping as it is. Here it is asking, do you want to create a inbound omni channel flow or not? So I will not create a inbound omni flow by bot. I will create and I will show you. Okay. So I will ignore this. Click on next. Click on finish. So now here you can see in overview we don't have any connections. And if you are clicking on connection also, here you can see we are not getting any option. Okay. So the enhanced bot can be routed by flow only. Okay. So I will go for look. So click on new flow. So in new flow, just start from scratch. Here, just go down omni channel flow. Click on create. Here, just click, and here you can see one component called route work. Just provide some label route to bot. Okay. here here it is expecting some record ID variable. So click here, new resource variable. API name should be record ID only. Record ID only. It is case sensitive, so please make sure it should be as it is. Data type is text. Here you are selecting available for input only. Don't select both. Record ID. Here service channel is messaging. Okay. Here we have different option where exactly we want to route. Route to queue. Just now we have seen, okay, without flow. Route to agent means if you want to route a particular agent, route to a particular route to any skill, or route to a bot. So I'm selecting bot. Here we will get only enhanced bot only. So our enhanced bot name is Hmm. YouTube demo bot. Okay. So we will try to search. Here it is not coming. The reason behind that is the bot should be active. So here you can see our bot is not active. So we are marking bot as active. After that we have to refresh. So we did not save. Here you can see YouTube demo bot. Here we have to select some fallback queue. In case something is going wrong with bot, then where we want to route. So we want to route to our agent queue only. Okay. So everything is ready. Now click on save. Here just write uh, route to use to demo and activate the flow. Okay. So bot, now we have to do some changes in bot. Just refresh. Okay. So here you can see in inbound omni flow, we can see our flow. Okay. Now I'm just deactivating this one because I want to select this checkbox. This checkbox is storing the logs for bot. Okay. I will activate again. Now I'm going to my messaging setting. This is our messaging setting. So till now, whenever the chat is initiated, it was going to this Omni queue, agent queue. But now I want to route to a bot. So we can route to bot with the help of OmniFlow only. Just search the OmniFlow name. So our OmniFlow name is route to YouTube demo. Fallback queue here also we have to provide same fallback we can provide agent queue. Click on set. Okay. Now the last step we have to do is whenever we are doing any changes, make sure you are publishing your deployment. I am publishing. Here you can see it will take some time. I will close our previous session. Agent is available. So here you can see now agent is also available. But when I will initiate a new chat, so we will see where it is going. A script is same. Okay. So in script there is no changes. So here you can see YouTube demo bot joined, and we got hi, I am YouTube demo bot digital assistants. Now I will provide some more details in our bot. Okay. Yeah, here one more point I want to highlight is when you are using the bot, make sure this URL, your site URL, you are adding in your remote site setting. In remote site setting is required when you are using the bot. Otherwise, you can get some errors and bot will not work properly. So in my case, I have already added. Okay. So hmm, I hope it is clear. Bot we can enhance according to our requirement. Like already I have mentioned that now we got the chat in bot. Now from bot to agent we want to transfer. These things is already explained by me. Okay. So you can find the link of entire our playlist in description. So this is our playlist. So our channel is Salesforce Stream in Salesforce Dream channel. This is the playlist messaging for in-app and web. So this is containing all the video of our messaging for in-app and web. Okay. So I hope you like. So thank you, please. Please like, comment and share our video and please subscribe our channel Salesforce Stream and press bell icon for new videos notifications. Thank